Hey guys, what's going on? Give you a quick update here on the 85 Oldsmobile 442 kit. This week's been a busy week. Here in Chicago, we had over a foot of snow. We got some more snow coming this weekend. Also, we're getting negative 20 degrees this weekend, so not going to get a lot of work done. Have not started the Finish It February stuff yet. I'm a little behind on your guys' videos, which I'll catch up this weekend on. So if you posted a video last week and I respond to you a week later, I apologize, but I got to get back around that. Had a little bit of a rough week. My car died this week, so I kind of had a rush to get a new car, which is kind of a shame, but it is what it is. I had the car for 10 years, put over 100,000 miles on it. Had no mechanical issues on it whatsoever. 2006 Malibu, loved the thing. So, blew a rod on it, so she did. So you guys saw last time on the 85 Oldsmobile, the interior, engine, suspension, that's all the same. Nothing changed there. Finished up the dashboard, brake boosters, going to go on there. I said I was going to put in a green color. I found this really cool Tamiya green. TS43 Racing Green, because I wanted to match the interior, which I think this does. This is a really, really cool green here. So I started with the window trimming on it, started painting in the interior, the engine bay. That's looking really, really sharp. So I think with the interior, it's going to look really, really cool. Gotta do around on the bumper. Where is it here? On the bumper here, all the black on it and whatnot. So that should go pretty quickly once I start all that. And she's on the floor. And then, like I said, the hood. Still going with the reverse scoop, which I think is going to be really cool. Silver rocker panel is going to make it really sharp. So I just noticed there's a rocker panel I missed. Look at that. Gonna have to do some masking there. Oh well, look at that. It's a good thing I did the video. So that's all got to come together. So hopefully this week I'll have it completed and I'll start to finish it February. I showed you guys the ones I wanted to do for that. I thank everybody for watching my videos. Thank you very much for writing me on the slideshows. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. I'm going to catch up on your guys' videos this week. If it's cold out where you're at, stay warm, be safe. Everyone, be cool. Love you guys.